Hey you guys, what's up? As you can see, I'm in traditional Vietnamese Ao Dai. Happy Lunar New Year! If you don't know already, Lunar New Year is on February the 5th. I'm Vietnamese. Technically, I'm celebrating Lunar New Year, but since I'm living in the States, I celebrate twice. Both New Year and Lunar New Year stuff. So whether you're celebrating or not, I hope you have a wonderful year. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this look right here, featuring some new products. It's not like a new launch or something, it's just new to me. For example, a Smashbox Primerizer, this one. And I also have the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette. Looks like this. Like that. And I also have, oh my god you guys, I'm so excited for this. I have here the NYX Ultimate Phoenix palette. It looks like that, so colorful. Oh my gosh, looks like that. I can't wait to put all the colors on my eyes, so stay tuned for that. Also in this videos, I'm gonna show you some of the products I just got in the BoxyCharm box. It's like that. And also I have the Morphe setting spray that I'm dying to try. To be honest you guys, in the beginning I still don't know what look I'm gonna go for. I was drawing like a blank, and then I think I'm gonna do like a cut crease or something. It was a disaster. I know, it's been like a hot minute since I did like this kind of look, so please bear with me. So this Lunar New Year is the peak year. So I googled and it said that the lucky color of this year is yellow, pink, and red. I'm gonna go with red because it's like my favorite color. So if you want to know how I create this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first thing first, I have here the BoxyCharm box. Looks like that, like a monthly subscription box that you can purchase online at boxycharm.com. It's $21 per month. In the box we have this month's BoxyCharm is Boxy and Chill. Looks like that. And we have a lot of good stuff in here. As you can see, we have like 5 products. I mainly bought this month's box because of this one. So excited to try the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Looks like that. I'm gonna apply this mask onto my face. Ooh. Wow, smells so good. It smells like the primer. Here we go. Wow, it smells so good, you guys. I'll leave this on for like 20-30 minutes and I'll be right back. So this mask has been on my face for around like 30 minutes, so it's time to take it off. And then what I like to do is like massage all the excess. Now I'm gonna go and rinse it off. So I've rinsed it off. My face feels so soft, so hydrated. I'm gonna try out the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's pretty runny. So here we go. I'm gonna put this on my nose, my forehead, on my chin, and then the rest of my face. Today I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani Power Fabric. This one in the shade 5. Just the usual foundation routine. So next step is concealer. I'm using the Tart Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. So it has a flamingo on the top. So cute. Okay, so I like to set my face first using the Skindinavia makeup finishing spray in Bridal. After that, I like to go with my Peach Perfect powder from Too Faced. I just put some on the lid, then using my Juno Co sponge, make sure that there's no creasing. I'm gonna apply the powder right underneath my eyes and on the lid as well. The other side. I'm so excited for this. It's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. Looks like that. I haven't tried anything from Hourglass, believe it or not. I know that Hourglass is like really good brand, but like I don't know why I haven't tried Hourglass. I'm gonna use the this brush from Sephora. This Pro Mini 55.5 brush. Looks like this. You see that glow right there? I'm impressed. Damn, I put like everywhere on my eyes, on my nose. I like it. A+. Right now I'm taking the Marc Jacobs bronzer. It's the Fantastic Omega Bronze. And using my Kat Von D number 20 brush, I'm gonna bronze my face. Wow, do you see that glow right there? Amazing. I love that already. I'm gonna move to blush real quick. I'm using the Nars 1-2 cheek palette. Looks like that. Today I think I'm gonna use this one right here. Queen. A tiny bit like that. And then tap out the excess. Here we go. I like to apply my blush like right on my apple, my cheek. I don't like to pull it back. And the highlight I'm gonna use today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Highlight. So I'm gonna set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Looks like that. Here we go. I'm scared. This is my first time using it, so. Wow. The mist is super fine. I mean, so I'm gonna let my face dry a little bit. I'll be right back with brows. I like to do a little bit more highlight, so I'm gonna apply this. Just tap it in. I do have a new product to test out. It's the E.L.F. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. One side is spoolie and one side is the tip like that. I'm not liking the color. What you guys think? I don't know. I like the formula, but if they have like darker color, it would be nice. Next up is the eyes. Are you ready for that? I have here NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This one in the shade Phoenix. I love the tones in this. I mean, oops. Isn't it so pretty? You have like everything. You have like the pink shade, a pretty like red, burgundy, you have a yellow, you have a mustard, you have a green, you have like a black, like a deep forest, black, green thing, you have a purple, you have like a shimmer right here, you have like a rose gold right here. I mean, it has everything in here. I'm so excited to try this, you guys. I'm picturing like one specific look in my mind, but I don't know if it can translate on the lip. So let's see and hope that I can do it, because it's been a hot minute since I do this kind of look. So wish me luck. This one is $18 and they have like a 6-pan eyeshadow which retails for $7 as well, but I'm not sure. The formula is different. The color is exactly the same. Like they have in the 6-pan, they have like this red right here, they have this green right here, and they have like the yellow one. But when I swatch it side by side, the colors, like this red one is more pigmented and creamier than the small pan, the $7 one. The red in the small pan is a little bit drier and it doesn't swatch that well. So I decided to pick up this one. So first up, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna use the shade Tempera to set my lip. First shade I'm gonna use is this one. It's like a mustardy yellow shade. I'm gonna put all over my crease. I'm using the Colourpop E2 brush. So this step you want to use like a fluffier brush like this one to help blend everything seamlessly. Okay, so there's some pigment in there, not much. I'm really like dipping into the shade right here. Okay, so it's buildable. Just gonna blend everything out. And you don't have to be like precise for this step because we're gonna do something else after. It doesn't have to be perfect. Next up, I'm gonna go into this shade right here using a more dense brush. I'm gonna use the brush that came with the Modern Renaissance palette. Is this brush. I'm gonna use this side. I'm gonna play this right on my crease. Wow, it's pretty light. I thought this is more like more orange and more pink, but it's okay. Wow, it doesn't have any kickback in the band. It's pretty pink than what I expected. It's okay. I can work it out. I'm really like putting this color into my crease, as you can see. Using the other side of the brush, I'm gonna blend it out. Let's go on to a much deeper shade. I'm gonna take this one, purple one, right here. Next, using that same Anastasia brush, I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here. This is not the look that I'm planning in my mind. I wish it's like more red than pink. I'm gonna go to this orange shade. More of that orange shade. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back into that mustard shade right here. Just blend the edges out. I'm gonna do the cut crease for this eye look. So let's pray that I can do it, because I haven't done it for a while. So let's just hope that I don't mess up. So now I'm gonna attempt to do the cut crease. So I'm gonna use the Shape Tape, and I'm using the Sephora concealer brush. So this brush looks like that. I'm gonna apply just a little bit. Wow, it's a mess. I'm gonna fix this. Be right back. So right now I'm gonna set with the first shade that we apply on our lids using the Precision Flat Sigma P80 brush. Looks like that. I'm gonna switch to the brush that comes in with a Naked palette. I'm gonna apply this one to my lids using my fingers. I'm not really impressed with that shimmer shade, so I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette with the shade, I think the shade Vermeer. So yeah, I'm going to apply the shade Vermeer to my lid. Much better. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in the shade Distortion. Okay, so let's move on to the lower lash line. I'm using the Urban Decay brush. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This brown shade. Next, glide on, stay on, and definitely a turn on waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner. So, lashes on. I like the style. It's really like flirty in my opinion. Inner corner, they kind of poke my eyes a little bit, so I'm gonna have to play with this like a little bit more. We've come to the last step, you guys. In the box, I have the Ofra Liquid Lips in the shade Havana Night. I think it's gonna be too dark for this look. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Stena Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored, the first shade that she came out with. So let's apply some lip and then we're done. So that's complete my Lunar New Year makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure that you ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And so that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye! Wealthy strips. To be honest with you guys, hey you guys,